Well, good morning, guys. I'll tell you what, I tried as hard as I could to beat that sun, but not going to happen. It's like 4:56 at the moment. I bloody tried, but yeah, not early enough. I'll tell you what, the sun's just rising early and setting late, which is really perfect for camping, I'll tell you. Forces you to get the most out of your day, you know, so I thought I'd come down here and have a bit of a walk around and a look around just because it's beautiful, not much wind, and also try not to make noise at camp because a handful of the guys are still asleep. There's only one or two people up, so thought I'd come down, have a look at the that little creek there that runs in. So the last time I was here, this was impassable, so looks to me like it's pretty good now. And as far as plans go, our only plan is to sort of head about another 20 k's down the coast, but there's a few little things we want to tick off our list first. One was a sleep-in. I just can't do it, mate, the old bloody body clock. But down there, way down there, we went for a bit of a cruise last night and probably got about 8 k's down. I thought that the Gardner River was a lot closer, but no, we've still got to go down, and all the boys are pretty keen on having a look at the Gardner River. So that's the plan for this morning. Take our time because we haven't got much ground to cover today, but there's heaps of little things to see which I want to show you. So first thing will be the Gardner River. Come back. We'll also probably check out that side of the beach. Make our way in. Take the turn off to go to Fish Creek. And we'll be there by this bloody arvo. I reckon a nice early chilled out day at the at camp. So either way, what time you're watching, you'll be watching 5 in the arvo. So grab a bloody beer, sit back, relax, and have a look at this beautiful morning.
I've heard all the warnings, I've heard your advice. Always have a backup, don't get lost in the lights. But I'd rather go crashing than never take the leap. So thank you for doubting. You put the fire in me. Boy, you gotta come down from the clouds. Keep your feet on the ground. Stand in line and wait your turn. Oh, one day you're gonna learn. Don't fly too close to the sun. You got it good, so don't you run. All you did was push me to be who I am. Thank you for saying I can.
Okay, not even an hour into the day and we've changed plans. So the plan is now, the flies are pretty bad at camp. We lit a little fire, but it still didn't sort of get rid of them. So what we're going to do, we've decided to sort of do the same as yesterday morning, piss off down to the river mouth there and have breakfast at the river mouth. I think that'll be really nice. So we're all just getting packed up now, getting ready to go. Do a few checks on the cars, just because we hit a fair bit of shit yesterday. So I found like after that mud hole, I found like a big lump of wood that was just wedged in between my brakes and my leaf springs. So might get under the car, have a look at everything and just make sure everything's honky-dory. Not as I know what I'm looking at, but
Yeah, 140, yeah.
Not a bad bloody breakfast spot, eh, fellas?
Oh, fantastic, Pete.
Flies are out in force, though, aren't they?
The matches are out, mate. You're getting bitten, but apart from that,
You get this, mate. Check this out.
Yeah, isn't it beautiful, huh?
Yeah,
That's what we need.
Yep, 100%.
that's it, mate. Bushman.
Check out.
You reckon you could
check
cross
out
it?
Cody, mate.
Yeah,
That's sick.
loving it, isn't
Look
he?
at that.
Katie, you reckon you can cross that river? Don't do it, man! Oh, beautiful, boys. Let's get into it.
Yeah, so I think it's
Absolute paradise. Right, there's breakfast. The wind's picked up a little bit because the March flies are shocking, which is helpful. It's blowing them away a little bit, but freaking Marchies are so annoying. Time to head to Fish Creek. See you there.
Time in a real life, things can change, right? Because lately I've been fearing that they can. Everybody all around me says these are my fight.
We literally just pulled up around the corner there to put some lunch in. Actually, let me just show you. Let me tell you the concoction I've come up with today. Oh, my wife come up with it. Throwing it in the travel buddy. I got mine and Dave's lunch ready to go in a minute. I've just turned that on. So they're sausage rolls again. They are nacho cheese sausage rolls, and what my wife has done is gotten nacho cheese sausages from from Dave at Cutting Edge and Mel. She's taken the casing off, squeezed out the filling, and then added sprinkled Dorito chips on top, and then wrapped it in pastry. Oh, I'm a lucky man. No, they're bloody good though, but we literally pulled up 2 minutes around the corner, and then we're like, oh look, we'll try and find some place for lunch in about an hour. But no, this is it. This is where we're going, guys. Real boggy down here, but no, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I think a beer is on the cards and sit here for a couple of hours because it's quite warm, even though it's a little bit overcast. You find me sitting in those little rock pools there, sinking a couple of tins. Nice bit of bloody water over there too. Let's have a look. Today I'm drinking pale ale from Shelter. I'm getting more used. I've never been a pale ale drinker, I must admit, but I've been sinking these the whole trip. Absolutely amazing. Ice cold too. What a spot. What a spot. I reckon the guys at Shelter will be quite proud of where I am. I'm in the southwest, their region. Some awesome stuff coming up with them too, guys. I can't wait to show you. Look at this.
stranger, 'cause I can't be who they say.
Oh, that's cold. That's cold. That is freezing, man. That's ice cold. Still nice.
All I wanna do is sing a song for you, so you don't have to cry.
Minto.
So I build a wall of sound around your bed.
Is it?
Always keeps you safe.
Righto. So that's lunch. That is one of the boggiest little sections I've ever seen. I think we were pretty lucky to get out of that like nice and easy, you know, without any max tracking or anything. I mean, have a look at this. But that was lunch. So now we're just going to keep bay hopping, checking out what else is around, and then find a camp, because it's looking a little bit bloody overcast. So we've got that in the back of our minds, but we really haven't got a time limit. So let's see what we get up to.
There's the ladder
Oh,
and they're
yeah.
winching the boats down, the dinghies down. Where's Robbie? Tell him to go and get that esky.
Oh, how good's that, eh? It's like a runabout.
Hey Robbie.
Oh, look at that big shark.
It looks like people haven't been putting the books away, so they're all wet and mouldy. But
Oh, right.
you want to sign your whacker details down?
Please keep your secret closed doors when you leave, please. Dogs inside. No dogs inside.
Good, isn't it? How you get, dog?
Oh, I'm drinking under for semen.
Lovely.
Oh, that one's even better.
Can you hear me? Are you okay?
We will get you out of there.
We'll send help.
On our way back. Where they let the tinnies down the cliff edge. I tell Graham to watch out. This gets scratchy. This gets a bit tight through here, lads.
It's alright, I've got self-healing skin.
I'm wrapped. Minto.
This is where people said in the last before.
Yeah, they used to lower the tinnies down. That's wild, eh? Down there. Wow. How crazy is that? So apparently they used to, as you can see from the photo you just seen, they used to lower the boats down, eh, Kippy?
Certainly did. Used to winch them down.
Winch them down. Might do that for the next tinny trip. What do you reckon? Lower it down.
Just go straight down there.
Vertical slide entry.
Solo.
Oh, magic. So the beautiful thing about this area, we just had a nice, awesome little tracks like that lead to these little lookouts. So this is probably the third one we've been to. Absolutely beautiful. And nice little turnaround spots too, as you can see. Bit of a goat track. It's good being the last one to walk out, because then you see all the boys down there. Hey, how's it look? Tell me how it looks, and that's good enough for me. Oh, that's all right. I believe you. Not bad, eh? Oh yeah. That's a bit psycho, isn't it? Oh, professional abseiler from way back. Oh god. Guys, the plans have changed a little bit, so what we're going to do, because it's quite windy now and it looks like it's going to rain. I thought we had sun. I don't know what the deal is here. This place is like 4 seasons in one day. We are going to circle around and camp possibly in the bush tonight, but spend the rest of the afternoon probably driving around. So let's see what hills we can find. Let's see how tight the tracks can be. Hey, Greg? Poor bugger.
I don't have a graphite one anymore. It's stainless. Silver.
Yeah, just bare metal. See you soon, guys. So all the boys up there. So all the boys are hidden in the bush. Doug doesn't know, and I've told I've told Dave all the boys are at the bottom. Davo! Davo! Oh, he fell over halfway. Davo, they're down the bottom.
What are you doing, you dickhead? He's like, fuck it, I'm going down now.
Can't up you come.
Excellent view, you should try it.
I did, I already went halfway, I told you that.
Your turn.
Oh mate, stitch up. Yeah, who doesn't like a good stitch up?
I'd push him, but I'm too buggered.
A lot of the little spots that we knew were taken, but now it's just come down to a case of exploring for the rest of the afternoon, trying to find a camp. But the lads seem to be loving just, you know, driving around exploring. I mean, at the end of the day, you hop out, you cop it from the friggin' March flies. So wherever we end up, we'll take you with us, and hopefully it's somewhere nice. We'll see how we go. There doesn't seem to be any marks on the actual HEMA map, but let's see how we go. I've found some real beauties by doing this type of thing, just, you know, exploring. Well, guys, we ended up finding
Look at here.
Oh, jeez. Well, guys, we ended up finding a camp. We just sort of tucked in. There's sort of a spot over there and a spot just here. So we've sort of, Dave and I have tucked in here. Then you've got the other boys just over there. But this will be fine for the night. It's actually nice and close to the main road. So we'll get a nice early departure tomorrow, because that's how we like to do. We like to wake up early on the last day, head off, get home by about lunchtime, clean the cars, and then you can relax with the family for a bit. So we are filming a Beer and Bites episode tonight, which I hope you guys will watch. I think I have come up with a few questions, but I usually like to wing it. That's why I don't want to overdo it too much. Then it sounds scripted. So I'll probably catch you guys around dinner. Later on, I'll do a quick sign off after the Beer and Bites episode. So be sure to watch that. I hope you guys are liking those episodes, because we're enjoying filming them. So that'll be episode 4. See you guys soon. See you after dinner. Cheers, guys.
Yeah. Smashing out K's, and it was crazy. And we'd pulled into this place on the Stewart Highway called Glendambo, and it is I shouldn't bag it out, but it is I don't know.
Well, there you have it, guys. We've just shot the 4th episode of Beer and Bites. It's hard because you got the little water, well, the little babbling brook. That's what Kip called it. I don't know how the sound's going to go out with that one, so I don't even know if it's going to be usable, but let's see how we go. But this is probably the last you'll see of me tonight, and then I'll catch you guys in the morning on the trip out. Last trip for 2021. Such a big year, 2022. I can't wait. I want to do a video that'll sum that up as well, so I will see you guys in the morning. See you soon, guys. Good morning, guys. Geez, I'll tell you what, I don't know if I'll do much filming here because the midges are absolutely terrible, and it's only just turned 5:22 in the morning. Now, I think I'll actually end the trip here just because these midges are terrible, so we're just trying to quickly pump our gear up and then get out to the main road. So, guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this series, the last one of the year. Oh my God, we had some fun times, and I can't wait to tell you guys what is coming up for next year. I'm pretty excited. It's nothing too much different, but there's a few little things there that I think you guys might enjoy. But I really do hope that you've enjoyed this one, and I really appreciate all you guys liking and commenting on the stuff. You know, it just keeps me going. It really means a lot. It means a lot more than you guys know. So jump on wacampingadventures.com.au, get your merch. There should be a heap of new merch by the time this video comes out. If you feel like you might want to support the channel, you maybe jump onto the Patreon page. We've got a separate Facebook page, and I also try and make a separate video for the Patreons every single series. And every now and then we try and get out on an overnight camp. I think we're actually probably going to be due for one very soon. So if you could throw a like on this video, and if you feel like subscribing if it's your first time watching, it would really help me along. So comment as well. You know, you guys really know I love talking to you guys, but thank you so much for the continued support. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks so much.